If you are selected for audit, you will need to upload the required information to your CCI account. Start by finding the My Applications section of your dashboard. Next, locate the application that is under audit. You will see the notice in the right corner. The Steps section will show you where the application is in the process. To enter the application, select the View icon. The application will open to show each section of the application that is under review and which sections are approved. The page will also show your audit deadline. To upload the required documents for audit, select the View icon. Under Actions, select the Upload icon. This will open a pop-up allowing you to select the files you wish to provide. Please note the size limit and type of documents allowed, then complete the upload process. Repeat this process for each of the sections of the application that are under review. Once you have uploaded documents, you can go back and view them if needed. After you have completed all the document uploads needed, a green Submit button will appear on the application main page. Click the green Submit button to complete the process. Back on the dashboard, under My Applications, the credential application will now say under Audit, Pending Review. Should additional corrections or documentation be needed, the status bar will turn yellow and state what is required. Select the View icon to open the application. Each section will show its status. You will also be able to view the audit history for your application. The history will include comments from the auditor providing additional details. Locate the application section that needs additional documentation. Click the View icon. You can re-upload the documents, view what you submitted, or view the audit history. To provide new documentation, select the Re-upload icon. This will open a pop-up, allowing you to select the documents needed. Then complete the document upload process. On the main application page, you will find a notice that confirms you have completed the needed uploads. Click Resubmit to complete the process. The status for that section will change to Pending Review. Back on your dashboard, your application status will also update to under Audit, Pending Review.